Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another amazing video on cooking. It's your girl here, Winnie, and karibuni sana. And today we'll be cooking pilau my way, a simple way of cooking the normal pilau. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe as we continue with cooking our pilau. The ingredients we'll need a lot of onions. These are like 3 big onions. We'll need pilau masala. We'll need tomato paste. We'll need salt, ginger and garlic paste, and then we will need cooking oil. And I use Reiko cube on my pilau. So that's all. This is a simple pilau recipe so that everybody can be able to try it at home. And then we'll have these are 3 cups of meat, not meat, rice, and then we have the beef. So the ingredients will be on the description box. So let's go to the cooking. One trick of a pilau, you have to ensure that you put a lot of cooking oil, enough cooking oil. Like this one, I'm kind of using for 3 cups. I'm actually using almost a cup of cooking oil. So let's the oil heat fast. So kindly follow through what we'll be doing. So after the oil has heat, you put your onion. And the secret with pilau, you have to ensure that your onions turn good and brown. So it will take a time. So let's give our onions some time to cook. You have to keep on turning your onions so it not to burn. As you can see, I've decided to bring the camera near that you can see what I'm doing. You can see the thing is you have to ensure that you have to ensure that the onion turns golden brown, but it doesn't burn. So I'm here. I want to be extremely careful. As you can see, when it is almost turning golden brown, that's now where I add my garlic and ginger paste. You can see this is 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Let me just add all of it. This is just like 1.5, but 1 is enough. So you wait for them to cook and turn golden brown. As you can see, my onion has turned golden brown. You have to be very careful for it not to burn. You have to be extremely careful for it not to burn, because now your pilau will be so. Now, when the onion has turned golden brown, turned golden brown, this is where now you add your meat. I had already boiled the meat. also here that I will add the salt. You will allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. So cover it for like 5 minutes and allow it to cook so that the meat can taste with the. I know you cannot see me, you can only see the sufuria. So let it cook for some time. After like from it to 3 to 5 minutes, then this is where now I come and I add my pilau masala. And for this, I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of pilau masala because I'm cooking 3 cups of rice. Once I stir well, I add my tomato paste. I'm using 2 tomato paste because I've come to realize this tomato paste is not that strong like the other ones, but it is very sweet. Like this is like a one tablespoon of tomato paste. So it's not strong in terms of color, but it's very strong in terms of sweetness. So it's an advantage and a disadvantage at the same time. So I have to use 2 to ensure that and then you cover, you allow them to cook for like 2 minutes. Allow them to cook for like 2 minutes. Now, like after 2 minutes, you can see how my pilau is, my everything is looking. This is now where I add my my Royco cubes. I usually put 2 Royco cubes. This is just a simple pilau recipe. I'm going to do one day a detailed one, or a Swahili pilau one day. You stir very well. And now at this like juncture, you just now put your rice. If you have boiled your water. If you have not boiled your water, you have first to put the water to boil and then you put. Now here we put the rice. These are 3 cups of rice. You have to stir in now very well. So after that now, after stirring that now where we add the water. Already boiled my water. This one, so I'm putting. This is 3 cups of rice. I'm going to put 6 cups of water. The same cup you use to measure your ingredients is the same cup you are going to use. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just like that, we are done with the preparation of our pilau. So I'm going to stir in very well and allow now the pilau to boil. And this is where now you get to taste the salt, to know if the salt will be good or it is not going to be good. Yeah, the salt is okay, the taste is okay, the color might chengaras kidogo, which is still okay. Now, after sometimes you are supposed to come and check if your pilau is cooking well. Ensure that you check if it is getting burnt on the lower side. So it's still boiling well. So we will cover it for it to continue cooking. Kindly ensure you check. And once you see your pilau like this, what you do, you reduce the heat. You reduce the heat so for it to dry up well. For me, I'm going to give it like a few minutes and then I show you how I do my pilau after. Now, once my pilau is it's almost drying, what I do, I just put it in the oven for it to dry. If you don't have an oven, you can just put it on low heat and give it some time for it to dry. If you have a jiko ya makaa, like the charcoal jiko, you put the makaa on top. But for me, because I have an oven, I'm going to put my pilau, I'm going to switch off the fire and then I'm going to cover it with foil. And as you can see, I'm going now to put it in the oven for at 150 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Celsius to dry up and bottom for the next. I usually hide this pan for cooking and for cooking my pancake in the oven for it not to be scrubbed. Yeah. Yeah, if you understand, you understand why. So I'm going to put this one. It's high time I buy oven gloves. I'm going to put it in the oven for it to dry for the next 15 minutes. Okay. And now I've removed my pilau from the oven after staying there for like 15 minutes, and you can see how my pilau is looking. So I'm going to mix it with a fork very well. can see, the color is giving very well. So you can see my pilau is looking all good and all yummy. I don't know if you can see. Let me bring it clearer so that you can see. Pilau, it's looking amazing, amazing, amazing. So let me serve the kids first as we continue. As usual, I serve my kids first so that they can go and eat. It's hot. And then I'm going to put the kachumbari for them. I'm not sure if they are going to enjoy kachumbari. I know one of them will enjoy. And then let me serve my. I don't like serving adult in the house, but let me serve my househelp. She doesn't have a problem with me serving her. So guys, kindly go and try the recipe and then come and tell me how it is. And actually, let me put it here. I'm putting kachumbari, and you can see how my pilau is looking. It's looking amazing. Kindly go and try the recipe and come and tell me how it looks. So thank you so much. See you in the next recipe. Bye.